We all know that we are bound to fill up our PC's storage over time due to regular use and saving tons of files. Some of those unneeded files may have been on your computer for a really long time without having any space issues, but over time they do take up a lot of space and can also slow down your PC. So if you want to free up some space on your Windows computer, in this video we will show you the best ways to safely delete files and folders to free up disk space in Windows 10. Number 1. Disk Cleanup. Disk cleanup is the best way to clean all the temporary files, cache and unnecessary files which are no longer needed on the system. It helps speed the performance of the computer. To run disk cleanup and delete unwanted files and folders, follow these steps. Type disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and click to open it. Once open, click the down arrow to select the drive you want to scan. OK. This will open the disk cleanup window. Here you will see different categories of files you can delete. Check mark the box next to them. Wait for the disk cleanup to perform the task. On number 2, disable hibernation. Hibernation mode on your PC is similar to sleep mode, except it takes storage space to save the work, allowing you to resume from where you left. It also occupies space on the hard disk. Therefore, if you don't use hibernation and want to disable it, you can easily do so via the command prompt. Type command prompt in Windows search. Select the search result. Right click, run as administrator. Here type exe/hibernate off and then hit enter. That's all. Hibernation will now be disabled. On number 3, deleting Windows temp files. To open applications quickly, Windows creates temp files, but these files take unnecessary space. Therefore, deleting temp files is recommended. To delete temp files, follow the steps. Press Windows plus R to open the run window. Type %temp% and hit enter. Select all the files that you see under this folder and hit delete. This will remove all temporary files, helping recover storage space. Note, you might get a message that files are in use. This means some applications are using the files. Press skip to proceed and remove the remaining files. On number 4, empty recycle bin. Whenever you delete a file on your system, Windows sends it to the recycle bin. This is a special space where deleted files are kept until you permanently delete or restore them. While this might be obvious to you, we are including it in case some are not aware. Double-click on the recycle bin folder and click all the items. Once you are sure that all the items are unwanted, follow the steps to clean the recycle bin. Click the recycle bin folder present on the desktop. Right-click, empty recycle bin. Once all the items present in the recycle bin are removed, there is no way to restore. On number 5, live kernel reports. The live kernel reports folder is home to dump files, which are ongoing information logs that Windows keeps. To delete the folder, head to C, Windows, Live kernel reports. These files are safe to delete. As a precautionary measure to delete such files, we recommend using disk cleanup. Once you delete dump files, you will not be able to get information about Windows crashes. On number 6, uninstall unwanted applications. Many times we just download applications thinking we might use them. These applications over time take unnecessary space, resulting in slowing down system performance. And to uninstall unwanted applications, follow these steps. Open Settings, Apps, Apps and Features. Use the sort by filter and select the size to identify the software which takes more space. Select the item you want to remove and uninstall it. On number 7, by using NTFS compression. New Technology File System is a new technology introduced by Microsoft that reduces the storage capacity of files as it compresses folders, files, or the entire drive. To apply Windows 10 NTFS compression for a folder, use the following steps. Open File Explorer and select the folder, right-click. Select the properties, advanced, check the compress contents to save disk space option. OK, apply. Check apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files option. OK, then again click OK. We hope after using these steps and deleting temp files from your Windows, you can recover space on your Windows 10. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.